This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here for July 15th, 2019. Trading up about 3.6% or 3%. And just want to show you on the daily chart what it looks like. And I'm going to give you a different point of view. Is take a look at this breakpoint here on the RSI. Now, why do I choose that breakpoint on the RSI? Well, I'll show you how it is related to the current market behavior. We go back here where we had this break of this major breakpoint in the price, because we do go into a major move to the downside here. So this break was material corresponding with this RSI break. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that breakpoint and draw our uniformity line, something like that. Now, just to keep it simple, notice what happens when we break out above that line there, which is this entry here. Now we can say that was around the just between 3,000 and 4,000, and that was in February of 2019. And then we come and kiss it here and bounce for the lows here. We touch it again for the lows here, uniform activity bounce, double bottom bounce here for these lows, and right now this is looking like it wants to hold again. So we can clearly see that what the market is telling us is as long as this area holds and we continue bouncing above that line, chances are there is a bias on a day-to-day basis to the upside. We also know that if that line does not hold and we end up breaking below that line, that is clearly going to be a fresh sell signal. So right now, in my opinion, those trading Bitcoin can use this line for guidance. Support on the line is a sign of a potential swing trade to the upside. Failure for the line to hold does suggest that there's a possibility that the next meaningful direction day to day is going to be to the downside. If you're not familiar with this method, the uniformity method, there should be some links in the description of the video giving you some introductory information to this method, which is my own researched method. Peace and blessings. E-C-S.